Welcome back to TheStreet.com TV. I'm Janet Al-Sad, joined by TheStreet.com staff reporter Vishesh Kumar in exploring how a recent spat between internet giants eBay and Google may have actually benefited eBay, defying conventional wisdom. Welcome, Vishesh.
Hey, Janet.
Now, Vishesh, this is a bit counterintuitive. You would have expected that in a spat between eBay and Google, Google would have emerged victorious. Can you go into the background of this spat and why eBay was able to get ahead of it?
Sure. That usually when a company goes against Google, it's not the best thing for the company. eBay is one of those few players that can actually get away with this sort of thing. This all started when Google tried to aggressively poach some eBay users by scheduling an event that was at the same time at another event that eBay was holding. eBay wasn't happy with that. They're the biggest advertiser on Google. They decided to pull their ads, and after some time they've found other channels to continue the traffic up to their site.
Now, in your article you go on to mention that eBay is doing better with its 3 or so core businesses than Google is doing with their, what you describe as 100 businesses. How do you see that affecting the stock price?
Right. That's been a core focus of eBay, to have a few products, to manage them really well, to make sure that they're market leading. So Google has their own Talk program called Google Talk. It's not doing as well as Skype. Their checkout service is nowhere near as strong as PayPal is. And while they've tried to head into e-commerce, eBay is clearly still the biggest marketplace out there. So there are different strategies. And they have different outcomes for the companies.
You still think eBay is cheap, however. It's trading at something like 20 times forward earnings at the moment. What would you say to investors who are looking at possibly picking up some eBay stock right now?
Of the big cap internet names, it's trading at among the most attractive valuations. The price to earnings, the growth ratio on that is also attractive, so it makes sense to look at it closely.
Great, so it looks like eBay can survive without its Google partnerships.
For now, that seems to be the case.
Sounds good. For TheStreet.com TV, I'm Janet Al-Sad in New York. In the meantime, if you'd like to check out more of Vishesh Kumar's work, you can visit his article at the homepage of TheStreet.com.